Welcome back, everyone. Well, this is day 10 and 11. I forgot to record day 10. I put the trailer away or the camper away before it started raining that day. Anyway, so I want to go over some of the things that I've done since the last video. Added spare carrier holder there. Just kind of welded it in. I plan on putting the wood around it and then just sealing it. So on the siding, an 1/8 inch. Plywood on the outside, so I just got to cut this down and figure out how wide it is, how long I need it to be. So it's still loose, but I have to weld that in. Also added in the bracket for the bottom of the for the water tank. That's the underside of it due to this water tank's angle. I stopped it there rather than trying to cut around and up and down, so I might put a piece there and across depending on how much it moves around. I think it should be fine. I'll have to check it out, but that should be easy to do even if I have to add that in the future. It's well done here in there. I kind of mixed it out. I also cut out some notches in the top. I don't know if you could see that for the hosing, which would be this one and this on the other side. I also added the air conditioning bracket there. Added 2 poles, one here, one there, leaving space for the doors. I did buy the vintage technology doors, so I plan on putting those in there. I'm gonna put wood down along and then the bottom and then frame it out. So what I'll do is I'll glue it to the inside and of the plywood skin. I plan on doing the inside first and then doing the outside. Reason being is I want to run all the wires, run all the electrical in between the inside and the outside, and that way it's all there. Take a walk around. Added a couple tabs around. You can kind of see, sorry for the sun, just kind of screw into. I plan on using 3/4 inch in the front plywood and then 1/4 inch all the way around, and then fiberglassing it and then marine painting it, marine top coat paint. Water tank is just sitting there, so added the other there. Put on little tabs in different places. Reason being is that I'm gonna put pieces of wood there to use as like a shimmy to put a roof rack on. So I wanted something to just drill into it so I can go from there. You can see I put another bracket here along the back. Reason being is so I could also get it there as well. Added 2 jacks in the back. Kind of put them out a little bit outside the railing, the frame itself. That way I could put a door as large as possible in the back and rear hatch. So that I have to order. I'm probably going to order that from Challenger. So I got to think about that. The other thing that I got to order from Challenger is in the front here. I got to put some kind of hatch there because I plan on putting electric on one side and heat and air conditioning on the other side. So it's coming along. A little tedious stuff at this point, but you know, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Love to help out. I've been using that titanium 125 from Harbor Freight, chop saw from Amazon, the Porter cable. It's okay. It's a little wobbly, so it kind of makes some of the cuts a little bit hard to do, but everything's coming along. Due to the coronavirus, it's been kind of tough to get more and more parts or steel or materials, so I've been ordering a lot on Amazon and did actually get some steel today. So that was nice to be able to do that, but who knows if I'll continue to do that going forward. I do need to get wood and start doing the bottom. What I plan on doing here is 1/4 inch on the bottom of plywood, painting it with fence post, and then putting a layer of insulation, 1 inch insulation there, and then sitting the probably 3/4 inch plywood on the top as a floor. That's what I plan on doing the whole way. Give it a nice sturdy floor. The reason why I'm doing that is I do not want to lose interior height and still have insulation. So if I did it with insulation and height on top of the frame rails itself, I would lose, you know, 1/4 inch, an inch, and then another 3/4. So I'd almost lose, well, I would lose 2 inches of height inside the cabin. So I didn't want to do that this way. I only lose 3/4 of an inch because I had to keep it inside the garage. So that's basically, it's coming along, moving a lot. I do have to grind down a lot of the welds and make some of them a little bit prettier and make sure that they're all done. Then I got some crud cutter to spray the whole frame down, and supposedly it's biodegradable, and then I can start painting everything once I'm happy with all the being everything ground down. A lot of these welds are going to get hidden anyway, just from the plywood, and I'm going to use VHB tape along here, insulation in between there, and then you know, put it all together. So in the spots I'm going to use VHB tape from 3M. Some spots between the fiber, the insulation and the paneling, I have to find out if the liquid nails work. So anyway, any questions, please let me know. Please subscribe and hit like, and we can kind of go from there. Thanks a lot, and I will hopefully talk to you guys soon. Stay well.